Hi folks, and welcome to Dutchy Cooking. Today I'm going to be making bread in a Vuurvakie Braai oven. This is a 500 gram bread mix. Can't see the point in making your own. So just dump this into a bowl. And then we're going to add 300 millilitres of warm water. Once we get that in, we're just going to bring it together. Once we've brought it together, it's all combined in, we're just going to let this sit for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, just going to put some flour on a board, and then we're going to knead this. It's going to take 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, we're done. I've got a cast iron loaf tin here. I'm just going to use some greaseproof paper with some fat. I'm just going to grease the tin, make sure it doesn't stick. And I'm going to put the dough in. And I'm going to let this sit in a warm place for about 30 minutes to prove. This is the Vuurvakie Braai oven. I'm going to add some coals to the bottom drawer. Push that in. Put a rack in to keep the bread off the bottom because we don't want it burning on the bottom. I'm going to seal it up. Then we'll add coals to the top chute. Also to the two side chutes. This ensures even temperature all around the oven. This is a homemade oven, just simply made out of an old gas cylinder. Temperature gauge on the front. We're up to temperature. Just going to put the cast iron loaf tin in. Shut it up. And this is going to take about 30 to 35 minutes to cook. So while we're cooking, we can have a quick look around the Vuurvakie Braai oven. As you can see, we've got the bottom drawer full of charcoal. You've got the two sides full of charcoal, and then also you've got the top full of charcoal. You can see from the pictures that the drawer and these side pods have got holes in it to allow air to flow through to keep the charcoal burning. So, 35 minutes later. You tip it out onto the board. And yeah, slice of this. Yeah, cooked all the way through. Let's try this. Warm bread with some butter on it. People say you should leave bread to cool down, but I'm going in for this one. Oh yeah, nice warm bread, melting butter, lovely. So there we have it, homemade bread in a Vuurvakie Braai oven. If you like what we're doing here at Dutchy Cooking, please subscribe and don't forget to hit that bell.